resources with economic value that an individual, company, or country owns. Assets can be things such as homes, cash, jewelry, land, or buildings. There's also digital assets such as cryptocurrencies. The next topic on our I Got Bank t-shirt series is equity.
Did you know that equity is equal to total assets minus liabilities? And a liability is something you are responsible for or owe someone money or services.
Now, assets are the opposite of liabilities. Liabilities are bad, while assets are good. Think of liabilities as debt. If you ask your parents what the word debt means, they were probably going to talk about student loan debt, or debt is something like money you owe, and give them an example of it. But you don't want debt, nor do you want liabilities. You want more assets than liabilities.
Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and Instagram at IGotBankSave. Learn more at our website at www.igotbank.education. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button with your money. Go to our website for more tips. Bye, bankers. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. I got the bank in the house. I got bank. I gotta save bank. I gotta give bank. I gotta live bank. 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 I gotta save bank. I gotta give bank. I gotta live bank. 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 Bank.